So what's up guys, welcome to CSS class. In this class we will be looking at the background. Okay, so what you could do at the background, or what you could do to the background of the background of your HTML page. So let me just type out the code. First I'll be making use of a header. This is the header, and after that I'll be making use of the division, and inside the division I'll be making use of the paragraph. Okay, so basically when it comes to the paragraph, now as can be seen, it is like automatically like creating the opening and the closing tag for me. I just don't have to write the separate opening and the closing tag. Okay, so this is the good use of making use of the Visual Studio Code, because it is automatically completing your code. This is the first para, and now I'll be copying this line. Okay, and I'll be pasting it over here, and this will be my second para. Okay, so now what you to do is I'll be making use of the internal CSS. When it comes to the internal CSS, we will be making use of the style tag. So now inside the style tag, what I have to do is, now if I'm like saving this code with Ctrl+S, and if I'm opening this page with my Chrome, then this is the output what I'm getting. Okay, this is the header, this is the first para, this is the second paragraph. Now if I want to apply color to this first element, which is a header h1, then what I'll do is I will call that header over here. Then I will open and make use of the open and the close curly bracket, and after that I will be saying background color. Okay, and I will be giving whatever color that I want. Currently I'm giving red. If I'm just saving this, Ctrl+S, and if I'm refreshing this page, then I'm getting background color as red. Okay, so this is how you should be giving the color. And now if I want to give the background color to this division, then what I will do, I will come down below, and I will say div, and I will again make use of the open and close curly bracket. Then I will say background color, and I will give the background color as aqua. And if I want to give the background color to this paragraph, then I could do that over here. I will say p, I will open and close, make use of the open close curly bracket, then again the background color, and then I will say something like blue. Okay, so now what this will do is it will be giving the color to all these elements. If I'm going and refreshing this page, then this is how the code is working. Okay, this is the header h1, and on header h1 we have applied the background color as red, because of which we are getting this red color. And inside the division we have two paragraphs. Okay, so this entire division has been given the aqua color, the outer division, and to both of this paragraph blue color is given. Okay, so this is the first paragraph and this is the second paragraph for which we are getting the blue color. So okay, so this is how this thing is working, which is a background color. And now comes the background image. And now suppose if I want to give the image to this background, then I could do that as well. Okay, so directly go to the Google and type out whatever image that you want to give, and I'll be going to the image section over here. And now suppose I want to give this as an image, then I'll be opening this image, and I'll be right clicking and I will say copy image address. Okay, and if you want to give the image to this entire page, I mean to entire background, then you should be doing that with the body tag. Okay, so what you have to do is just come just above the closing tag of the style and just say body tag, and you should be saying background image. Okay, so this is that option, which is background image, and after that we should be giving the URL, which is this element, and just copy paste the URL whatever that you have copied. Okay, so copy that URL of the image from the Google, and it is going a little bit off track, and this is the place where you should be copy pasting it. And now just save this code and refresh this page. Okay, so now we are getting this image, we are getting this multiple images because that's a small image. It is this small. If that image was a little bit big, then it would have actually covered the entire place. Okay, so this is how you could give the background image, but currently as of now, let me just remove this image. Okay, so it is like really going off track, so I'll be removing this background image. Okay, so let me show you one more thing with this background image. I should have not removed it. So let me just make use of the background image, then the URL, and I'll be copy pasting that URL over again. And let me show you one more thing. Now if I'm like coming down below over here, and if I don't want this image to repeat everything, I mean everywhere, then I'll be saying the background repeat, and I'll be giving the value as a no repeat. That means I don't want this background image to repeat over again and again. And if I'm just saving this code and coming and refreshing, and as can be seen that image is not repeating. And if I want to give the position to this image, then I could do that as well. I'll be saying background position, which is this one, and whatever position that you want to give, you could give that. I'll be saying top right. Okay, so this is how you could give the image position, which will be like shown on the top right hand side, which is this top and the right hand side. If you are saying bottom right and saving this code and refreshing this page, it's not shifting to bottom right. Okay, so it is not shifting to the bottom because currently there is only this much of content on our HTML page, so because of which it is not going down below. Now let me just replicate this content, and there should be a lot of content inside the body, and because of that it was like not going down below. And now as can be seen, this is the height of our body now, and now it has positioned itself at the bottom right hand side. Okay, so initially our body was this big only because only this much of content was there inside of our body, and because of which that image was not shifting, but as of now it is shifting. So just make sure that you are making use of this positioning, and just know all these attributes, properties and the values really very well. And Visual Studio will be helping you to auto complete everything, so you don't have to be worried about anything. You could give the link of URL over here, and everything will be sorted out. Okay guys, so this was all about the background about CSS. So thanks for watching, and you will find these files linked with this video, so you could directly go through this source code and check out how things are working over here. Okay, so thanks for watching.